What a beautiful day. The perfect day for training. Another peaceful day in dreamland. Another peaceful day. Ooh, watermelon. Maybe a little too peaceful. Why did I ever give up my shit? It was this guy. What? Never mind for rambling. But Kirby, wake up! It's time to start training. Kirby, wake up! Kirby! I just woke up! Whoa! Oh. Morning, Mennonite. What's up? Oh, it's time to start training. What, now? Yes, now. Well, I just woke up. You've been sleeping until noon. So what else is new? Ugh. And just like that, right back to sleep. Ugh. Is this really what I waited for? Or for this big sleepy thing? Look at this. The day is almost done. And we haven't done any training whatsoever. I wonder...